Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I know this is a little different thing, but we got snack crate today. So we're going through some snacks. Hopefully it comes through okay. And I have friend Jazare over here. We're both going to be trying the snacks from the UK. Yeah, United Kingdom. And before we start getting into the snacks, they do have some fun facts here about the UK, so a little learning lesson. Every day, people drink 165 million cups of tea in the UK. At one point, the British Empire ruled approximately 25% of the world's population and covered about 25% of Earth's total land area.
Just need to press
pretty
your
cool.
notes.
I like the tea thing.
You like the tea thing? Okay. The accent of the UK changes noticeably every 25 miles.
Good as new. Problem solved.
That is
But if you don't
Pennsylvania.
want to get stuck with this again, you must
Big
not
Ben
welcome guests
is
with furry
not
arms like
the clock,
this
it's the
again
bell.
For a whole day. A whole
I won't
day.
say these nuts, but I'll keep it appropriate.
Good luck.
No portrait was ever painted of William Shakespeare when he was alive.
This is
Pretty cool fun fact.
The
Like
guests
my
will
mom.
feel so unwelcome.
Nowhere in the UK is more than 75 miles from the sea.
It's more than just a slip up or a
75 miles away from the sea.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
No, that's not bad at all. And if you guys are hearing the noise in the background, she has a little kid and they're watching some cartoons, so sorry about the sound. Alright, the first one we're going to try is Walker's Cheese and
What are
Onion.
you going to do?
Are you
I
ready?
have to welcome
I'm
our guests
scared.
with furry arms.
Scared? Okay.
Dad welcomes the guests with furry arms today. No, I don't know if I can.
What does it
Yes,
smell like?
but his
It
arms
smells a
are
bit
more
different.
fuzzy than furry. Yeah, but Emma doesn't want Auntie Fenella's arms to get stuck in there.
It's not.
It's like sour cream and onion, but old. Like, not in a bad way, just an old sour cream and onion.
welcoming
Yeah.
Here we go.
Emma, you want to try one?
Hello, Mr. Quack and Stuff. We
Guess Emma will be part of our testing. I'll give her
Oh,
one.
that's not bad.
No, furry wings. Oh, no.
I like
That's not
that.
bad at all. Those are really good.
Take
Actually
a
like
deep
that.
breath and try to
It's like a sour cream and onion. That's actually real good.
It's a bit better.
Yeah. So what's that?
Still
Three?
one more. Oh, I took 3.
Alright, so we'll put this to the side here. This is before we eat it all. Alright.
Emma likes it too.
The next thing we have here is French fries. And I'm going to have her say what the sauce is because I can never pronounce it.
Oh, Worcester. Worcester. Worcester, okay.
Worcester.
Yeah, I've seen that word before.
I
I don't know what that is.
Worcestershire.
I'm about to look up what that is.
Oh, dearest one.
How do you spell it?
WORCESTER.
Alright.
If you hear screaming in the background, that's her daughter. Sorry.
Okay, so it doesn't say, it's like a brewed sauce or something like that.
Awesome, okay.
You can try one too, hold on.
Oh, he got an
So
idea.
good.
When he wants to stop
She's
himself
like,
from
oh.
eating cookie, he think of something else.
Cookie Monster.
Yeah. So me think of something
kinda
that's
smells like
not
salt and
delicious, not juicy,
Oh yeah,
not yummy,
that's salty.
Yeah.
That burned my nose.
yummy.
They look like
chewy,
little chips,
chocolate
look
chip
little fries.
cookie,
Give her one,
cookie. Nom, 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 nom,
That's
nom,
different.
nom, nom, nom.
Okay.
Well, it's
I
not
don't
always
know about
work.
that one.
I don't know.
It gets sour than sweet, but a little intense when it comes to that. Look at her.
She likes it.
Well, I'm sure we could solve this problem, my love. We just need to put our furry heads together and think.
That one's a bit different.
Yeah.
Alright, the next one.
Repeat
is a pickled onion.
I must not welcome
It has an alien on it.
Arms today.
That was cool.
No.
The alien on the back waving.
Keep me from welcoming.
What?
Must not
Oh.
welcome guests with my furry arms today.
Yeah, it has an alien on the back too. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah. And we have to do another video too, with us trying it all over again.
Why?
Facebook.
I'm not doing the one for Facebook. Doesn't she have your YouTube thing?
I'm afraid
No.
I must not.
Tell her to go on it. Be like,
I
hey.
did.
Oh, then be like, yes, tell her that she missed out. You missed out because you didn't go on there.
Oh, no problem.
And you'll probably see me saying this because you'll go on there.
Cuddly as I am, we got enough furry eyes.
I'm not really looking forward to that.
Oh. That sounds like old McDonald's sweet and sour sauce. Like, sniff real close. It smells like sweet and sour sauce, old.
It has an alien shape.
That is cool. That's the only thing I'm excited for. I'm sorry, Amy. I hope this is good.
You must be Miss Florette.
Oh,
You
okay.
are very welcome to the Rochester Hotel.
Oh.
But I'm
Nope.
afraid I must not welcome guests
Nope.
with my furry arms
Yep.
today.
No, no.
I guess I kind of fuck with it a little because of how salty. Oh, the aftertaste is bad though.
Any other day,
That's
I must not welcome guests with my
horrible.
furry arms today. I must not welcome them. But I brought the family.
That's an aftertaste that won't leave.
She doesn't like that one either.
She likes the first one so far. Go on, Amy. You can eat it.
Alright. Do you want to do the...
Look at her face. Look at her.
Welcome everyone with furry arms without
She won.
furry arms.
Alright. There's 2
And I can be your
chocolate
furry
bars in here. I think we're going to save these chocolate bars for last because of my sweet tooth. Just so I can try the other stuff.
Miss Florette.
Alright.
Welcome to the
wanna try these?
I feel like that should be eaten close to last because it's so like so many little things. We don't want to make a mess.
Okay.
There's those things.
Alright. Now we got 2 Wham bars.
Wham.
I don't know what Wham bars are, but okay. You get one?
You really can't be going.
And I got one.
Say it isn't true. Rochester will never be as
Wham original with sour crystals.
Check out.
I don't know what it is. Oh, it's like taffy.
Yeah. Does it taste like tap?
It's sour. With sour crystals, I see.
And they didn't even catch it. They didn't even catch my face.
It's sour.
And they caught my face whenever I ate the other stuff.
Oh my god.
Will she even like that?
I'm gonna find out.
Sit still, Elmo.
She likes it.
Just think, Elmo, that you could have been the family portrait with all of us.
Maybe it's the bite that I took. So the rest of it's not bad now, but I hit a crystal and it burst in my mouth.
We just have to
That's really, really good. I love
Those
this.
things.
Yeah.
That's what burst into my mouth. I hit my tongue and tooth.
All like this.
I love this. I'm gonna eat this later. Save it for later. It's like taffy. It's really good. Alright.
I'm almost done with it. It's good, just that hit me.
Yeah. Alright, the next thing we have here is called Millions. They, I know you can't really see it in the video, but they are kind of like, not like peanuts. Now that I'm thinking about it, it's not like peanuts. It's like,
We welcome you.
like, it looks like a little fishy.
And please tell me that this is Elmo. Yes, that red, the way the light hits your fur. I can't wait to paint you.
Something.
I'm not wait to be painted.
I feel like it's gonna be soft on the inside but punching out.
This is very still for me. As still as
It's just
a
like grape
statue.
juice, it says. It says
Oh,
it's real
yeah,
grape juice.
Magic can't happen. So, if you need to laugh,
Already dropping it.
My sweet tooth hit it.
Yes.
Oh, it's stuck in my throat. Oh.
Cheese and giggles out
Alright.
now, Elmo.
Careful. It is falling out. I just grabbed it like a little bit.
Oh, I'm not a fan.
That's very good.
I don't like that one. It's too light for me. Like,
It's like this like little small pieces, but whenever you like put it in your hand and bite into it, it's like you're eating like taffy again.
have a drink for your drink. My
Yeah.
teeth are acting up. Damn, this is why the UK, their teeth. I love the UK, but
It's
no,
like
that's
stuck in my tooth.
I know, that's why I took it out. It hit right. Oh, I say their candy's definitely really sugary.
Oh yeah. And are you ready for the main sugar ones?
Not really.
Which chocolate bar do you want to try first? The
Crunch, 'cause
crunchy
the double
or
decker sounds
double decker?
dangerous.
Okay.
I might have to skip on a double decker. I don't know yet. We'll see.
If I'm gonna do it, you can do it because my bottom jaw locks.
Mine, so I hold top and bottom. Luckily, I only hit the top, which still hurts, but the bottom is worse.
Yeah. Mine's top, yeah. Ooh, that's like chocolate.
Elmo, my
I'm so
furry
scared.
one, you need to sit still. Remember?
Oh, here comes Emmy's favorite part. She's like, ooh, I get to taste chocolate. Ooh, what's that?
Elmo,
Hey,
sometimes
look
when
at the
I'm
inside. Is that supposed to be
No.
like that?
to myself.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like that. It's like a wafer on the inside.
Be careful if I break her off on. I'm scared. Just break off whatever you think. I don't know if I can eat that. My tooth is killing me. Hold on.
Not bad.
What's it taste like?
Like a peanut butter thing. It kind of broke, but.
It's okay. Oh my god. It's good.
As I'm making a mess everywhere.
Energy, but
Okay.
you really
It
must
didn't knock out my sweet tooth. It's
No, it's like it's like I hit my
I think I
like
can help
a-
with that problem. Excuse me, squirrels. Would you mind playing in the garden?
Butterfinger.
Don't mind at all.
Yeah, like a Butterfinger.
Good idea. Thank you, Phoebe.
Yes.
Problem solved.
Oh, great.
No more distractions.
Lemmy.
Oh,
She's
dear,
copying what we're
Elmo.
doing. She went,
You
ow.
really must
You don't have any
sit
sweet tooth, honey.
Alright, ready for this?
Maybe
My
you
sweet
could
tooth's
try
already
telling
hit,
yourself
and
over and over.
my jaw's like, you can't take anymore.
It hurts.
Oh.
My whole right side. Like, now it's top and
Keep it up,
bottom.
Elmo. I'm capturing your Elmo-ness.
Emmy's gonna be so hyper. So hyper.
Terrified. Oh my god. That looks scary.
I'm sorry, Elmo.
Okay.
If you
That
can't
looks
sit
scary.
still,
Uh,
I won't be able to paint you.
You can
Is there a problem?
take off a piece. It's like
Elmo's
very
having
squishy.
trouble
I'll grab one
sitting
from me
still
and
painting.
Emmy. Oh, no, I don't want that much. It will break ours in half, actually. Me and Emmy.
Okay.
She can have the majority. I just want a little piece. This reminds me of a,
Milky Way?
like a moon pie.
Moon pie.
A chocolate moon pie. Is that what they're called? No.
No.
The star things. You know, the little...
Oh yeah. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I'm making a mess everywhere. Oh, that's not bad.
It's good.
I'm trying to clean up the mess. There's chocolate everywhere.
And there's still some salt. I need it, though. To get that sweetness.
Well, that was all the snacks from this month's snack crate. What's your overall?
Unique flavors, definitely. Haven't tasted a lot of this stuff. They smell like things that have similar taste, but they have their own taste for sure.
Yeah.
UK likes their sweets, we'll say that.
Yeah, I liked the majority of it. It was like really good. And I could name them like exactly what they were.
heads together.
Good. Yeah. I don't think she needs any more chocolate.
She wants it so bad.
Do you mind if I show her on the video?
I'd rather not. I don't know, just because crazy people.
Alright, well, hit the subscribe button and the bell right next to it so you can get notified on every single video that I post. Alright, and y'all have a fantastic day. See you later.